Beloved friends, welcome to the course of Awakening to the Intuition. Friends, let me ask you a question that what do you think of yourself as humans? Let me tell you, as humans, we are gifted with so much possibilities. We are gifted with so much potentials that all the wisdom of this world, which we have known in the past, in the present, and which we will be knowing in the future, lies within our consciousness. And it continuously speaks to us. That voice is called as intuition. We are tremendously guided, always guided. In every act, there is a guidance of intuition, but we don't follow it because we don't listen to it. In this workshop, in this 4 days workshop, we will be learning how to listen to that voice, how to differentiate between the voice of fear and voice of intuition. Through meditation techniques, through advanced exercises, through very secret meditation techniques, we will be learning how we can clear all the garbage which has surrounded around this voice. Through daily practices, I will give you some homeworks, I will give you some exercises which you can do daily to awaken this voice within you. That your ears will be able to listen to this voice distinctly without any doubt, without any fear. So friends, join this workshop. This workshop will pay you immensely. And I would like to tell you that this workshop will be very fruitful to the people who are doing tarot readings, who are doing energy works, such as access consciousness and many, many modalities. They need to awaken their intuition because they are guiding people, they are healing people. So the voice of intuition will be very helpful to the people whom they are healing. So friends, don't miss this workshop. And I would like to say it proudly that there are very few teachers, 3 to 4 teachers, which are teaching intuition. So friends, be benefited with this course. Thank you very much. See you in the course.